Hello, my name is Professor Perfect. I'm from Trinidad, and I will show you this nice communication receiver. You have many buttons, and I will show you a little demonstration of this. I turn on this button. You can hear all the radio stations of the world. But